I'm Becky, and I'm with one of our great customers that is sending her missionary off on a mission. And so one of the things that we do is teach people how to pack, as you know from all of our videos. But we have this fun 3-piece set that we've personalized it to ILC Travel Outfitters. But I wanted to bring her in because she brought some pretty cool things as to the potential of what these pieces can do. Anytime you are tempted to do a Ziploc bag, right? Mm-hmm. That I am notorious for. I know that's just that much more money I have to pay because I can just do a Ziploc bag. But tell us like what you've done here.
So I put together a wellness kit. So they said go get all the things for your missionary that you would need within like for 3 months.
Okay.
If they get sick. So I went and got all this stuff, and I'm like, that's not gonna fit. There's so much in there, but I'm like, okay, we'll just try it. And I put it in. That's this one. I put it in, and it all fit, and I still have room. I could not believe that.
Stretching and stretching and stretching.
And I was even able to get a sinus rinse bottle in there, as well as everything else.
So we've got this. We're gonna do like the little, little clown car action here going on.
Okay, these are vitamin packs. This is a list of all the things we have. We have NyQuil.
You gotta have directions, right? We don't, what is this?
We have cough drops. These are all allergy pills because he needs a month worth.
Of course.
Nasal spray, so you get sinus infections.
See, that's why we say moms are in charge of this, because none of my boys would be packing any of this stuff.
Mucus relief for the same reason.
Mm-hmm.
Congaplex, this is an immune booster. Vitamin C.
Oh my
NyQuil
gosh.
and nasal decongestant. Baking soda because we take like a half teaspoon for an upset stomach.
And look at that. She has little directions on there too. Because I would be like, what do Mom, I can't call her up.
How much do I take?
Yeah.
Benadryl for allergic reactions. Ibuprofen and dairy relief because he struggles with dairy.
And you never know what
and I
people
could
are
not
feeding
believe
you.
that it all fit in there.
That's so awesome. So what's cool about it is she's also personalized it to fit on these little snap hooks, because this technically can hang up, but with as much as this stuff, that might be something you'll lay there. But if you choose to have something that be hung up, she's personalized it to fit him, so we know it's yours. So really cool. Thank you so much for bringing all this. Hopefully that helps you guys out with your wellness kit.